Muskrats are seen as pests by many because of their destructive behaviors, but these fascinating creatures show how animals can survive almost any environment. The muskrat is a semi-aquatic mammal similar to beavers. Muskrats have dense fur that keeps them dry when swimming and a scaly tail that helps them move around in the water. Muskrats spend most of their time in the water feeding. Muskrats are mainly active at all times of the day, but mainly at dusk and dawn. Muskrats live in either a burrow or a lodge made of sticks. Muskrat burrows usually start underwater but go over the water level in order to have a dry spot to rest. They live with small family groups that include their mate and offspring. They defend territories that they set up with this group from other muskrats and predators. Muskrats have very sharp teeth that they use to defend themselves from predators. Muskrats are called muskrats because of their rat-like appearance. They also give off a musk that comes from their scent glands. Muskrats are found all over North America and Canada and are active throughout the year. They don't store food in their lodges like beavers do, so they need to find food all year round. Muskrats will use their teeth to chew away any ice up to 100 yards away from their lodge. A muskrat will then find food and bring it back to its lodge to share with its family. Muskrats have waterproof fur, so they don't get cold while swimming. On very cold winter days, muskrats will huddle together in order to preserve body heat. Breeding season for the muskrat starts in March. Muskrats are monogamous and will stay with the same partner for their entire life. Muskrats are very prolific. They can have as many as 4 litters in 1 year, and each litter can have between 5 and 8 babies. A single muskrat can raise 15 babies every year. Muskrats have about a 30-day gestation period. The young are born in muskrat burrows and are born nearly completely hairless and blind. They are completely dependent on their mom for the first month. The kids open their eyes after 14 to 16 days. After 21 to 28 days, they are weaned and begin feeding on plants and can swim, dive, and live in the den on their own. After about 6 weeks, they either leave or stay with their parents until after winter. When the next breeding season starts, the young will usually leave and set up their own territories. The diet of a muskrat consists mainly of aquatic plants like cattails, water lilies, and arrowheads. Muskrats use their sharp teeth in order to take the plants back to their den. Muskrats are also known to forage for food on shore. They will eat different fruits and leaves and will eat agricultural crops. Muskrats will also feed on dead fish and will hunt crayfish, reptiles, and amphibians if they can catch them. They also feed on freshwater mussels. The main predator of the muskrat is the mink. Minks are specialized in hunting muskrats. Other predators include otters, eagles, foxes, bobcats, coyotes, raccoons, house cats, large hawks, owls, weasels, and even large fish when they're young. Muskrats have very sharp teeth that they use to defend themselves from predators. Muskrats also use their den as a way to hide if they see a predator. Humans also hunt and trap muskrats because their burrowing behavior can damage structures like dams, bridges, and other structures. They are considered pests because they eat many farm crops. In the wild, most muskrats live 3 to 4 years. However, in captivity, they can live for up to 10 years. If you want to see a muskrat in the wild, find a large body of water and go near dusk or at dawn. Muskrats are crepuscular and are most active at dawn, dusk, and night. You can look for their burrows or lodges. If you startle one, it will dive into the water. Muskrats are very strong swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. However, it's best not to get close, as muskrats have very sharp teeth that they aren't afraid to use and have been known to seriously injure pets and people.